Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by positioning the movie time popcorn machine on a stable, heat-safe surface with clear space. Once placed, add the recommended oil, typically 1 tablespoon, into the kettle. This ensures even heat transfer. Next, measure 1/2 cup of kernels so your batch size matches the kettle capacity. This prevents overflow. Make sure the power supply matches the machine sticker and plug in. Once done, switch the machine to preheat so the kettle reaches popping temperature before you add kernels. You now move into the active popping phase. After the 2 to 4 minute preheat, when the kettle shimmers, add the measured kernels and immediately close the door. That conserves heat. Turn on the stirrer and set heat to the recommended setting so kernels move and pop evenly. As popping accelerates, listen for pace changes. When gaps grow between pops, reduce heat or turn off stirrer per your manual. Make sure to monitor for burning and be ready to shut off heat once popping slows. You finish by switching off the heat and letting the stirrer run a few seconds to clear loose kernels. This reduces unpopped waste. Then, tilt or open the kettle to dump the popcorn into the serving bin and season while warm for best adhesion. If you encounter issues, burning, stalled popping, or excessive unpopped kernels, stop, unplug, and allow the kettle to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Once cooled, clean out debris. Inspect the thermostat and stirrer for obstructions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.